We've been finding this style of picnic table on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and usually these are free because they're in such bad shape with rust and wood that needs to be refinished. So what we do is we sand off the rust and sand down the planks and put new stainless steel hardware on. Here's a quick update with our progress. Every bolt is out. Some bolts needed the angle grinder to remove because they were very rusty. The next step is going to be removing the paint, either with a sander or a planer. And then after that, we'll oil it and reassemble it. Here's the finished product. We finished taking the rust off of the frame, and then I planed the boards and sanded the boards a little bit, and we replaced the hardware with stainless steel bolts and nuts. The kids chose the colors, so it ended up cotton candy pink and then candy apple red for the other one. And then we used the timber oil to oil it. We don't like using paint or stain because when that gets old, you have to scrape it. With oil, when it gets old, you just wipe more on with a paper towel if you want, or a cloth, or a paintbrush. This has been our goal for a while, is to have 3 tables around here. So if we're having a picnic down by the fire pit and the wind changes, we can just switch benches without having to pick up the bench and move it away from the smoke. Here's the second table we did. This one was like a candy apple red. Again, planed the boards, sanded the boards a little bit too afterwards. You can see the snipe from the planer, but that didn't bother me for a project like this. And then again, we oiled the boards. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below.